Do we dare go in the tunnel, guys?
Yes.
Alright, let's go for it.
Let's go for it. Adventure. Adventure. Never quit. Never.
I'll let you guys go first, so if there's a bear or a tiger, it'll eat you guys first. Then maybe he'll be full and he won't want to eat me.
We're just tiny. You should do surf.
I saw a bear with a fiddle in the middle of the woods, playing high and low. All the other animals gathered around to watch his little show. They clapped their hooves and they clapped their paws while they listened to his tunes. And he played till the sun went down, and he played by the light of the moon. And the bear cubs sang as they rolled in the grass. The elk came down from the mountain pass. The little bluebird sang from the trees, while the bear filled the air with his melody.
Here's us camping. It's Saturday morning. We having fun yet, Adam?
Yes.
Let's see if we can see Ian.
There's sleeping bag.
He's in here somewhere.
Hello.
There's Ian. Go back in here. There's me. There's Adam.
We're having a nice time.
Yeah. Did we have fun in the wind though?
No.
The wind was not fun last night.
Yeah, and it ruined our video.
Heaven forbid our movie be ruined on the campout.
There's chips.
Two elements of a good camping trip. A cooler full of cold brewski and lots of junk food. Chips, Twizzlers, cookies, beef jerky somewhere around.
Yeah, where's the beef jerky?
It's over in the corner somewhere.
I'll look for it. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'm on your sleeping bag.